Error 0x000023 on ps5. So basically, here are some possible solutions which some of my viewers told that they kind of work. So this guy posted that's like, I fixed this error by closing the game, then logging into EA.com website, opening the game again, and it went away. So you just need to log into EA.com website, not via ps5 but just via web browser. So just log in with your account just via web browser, and then open the game again, and then it should work. So for some users it fixes the issue, for some users it doesn't. Like I would say 50-50 chance that it should work out. So this seems to be the fixable solution right now. Maybe if it doesn't work for you, just maybe you can just wait 1 day or two. Maybe there is some server issue with ps5, or I don't know what's happening, or just overload of users. But try it out. Some users, you can see, right, doesn't work out for me. So